This is Gotham Ducati at MotoGP at the Circuit of the Americas. This is Ducati Island and Ducati parking. And we were not sure that this event was even going to happen this year, and did not ride a duck in, but there are a ton of beautiful bikes. Posted up over here for COTA 2021. And we haven't gone into the Ducati Island concession yet. But we thought it was going to rain today, and it is 85 degrees and sunny out. A beautiful day. And we got the best of the new world over here. The V4Rs. And then a tiny little monocylindric 50cc Falcon. That thing's super cool. And the cab ride down here, the Uber driver's like, we have not seen so many bikes on the road.
How do you treat you? Good? Good. Back is yours. Back is yours.
All smart over here. Old Super Sport. Finish it off with a black Street Fighter in between a couple Diablos. We're looking forward to an awesome event